You Only Live Once by Jason Vitug, Spending Rules. Welcome to YourBookSummary.com. Mindfulness is crucial when making financial decisions. By increasing your financial education and awareness, you can follow some simple yet significant rules, such as spend less than what you earn. Please do so to ensure your future well-being is maintained. Pay less for each purchase. Look for discounts, buy in bulk, bargain, and thoroughly review every fee you pay for banking, phone use, and subscriptions. Purchase what you love, not what you like. Consider this priority list: love, need, want, like when purchasing. Only buy things you love or need. Use credit for purposeful purchases. Financial security arises from financial control. Use credit only for long-lasting assets with short-term financing. Only extend financing within the useful life of the purchase. Loan interest is an investment. I hope you found the information about You Only Live Once by Jason Vitug. If you're interested in learning more about the book, stay tuned for the next part of this series where we'll dive into the next section. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.